Have you ever wondered where glass comes from? Our journey takes us back in time, way back to the cradle of civilization, ancient Mesopotamia, around 3,500 years before Christ. It was here that the story of glass began. Glass, in its earliest form, was not the transparent, everyday material we know today. Instead, it was a precious and rare commodity, a luxury item that only the wealthiest could afford. As time marched on, the art of glassmaking began to spread. It moved from the Fertile Crescent to the ancient Egyptians, then to the Romans, and eventually, across the globe. Each civilization adding their unique touch, refining the process, making it more efficient, and gradually transforming glass from a symbol of wealth and power to a common material. So, from its humble beginnings, glass has become a ubiquitous part of our lives. From ancient times to the present day, the art of making glass has evolved significantly. Let's embark on a journey through time, tracing the evolution of this remarkable material. In the early days, humans discovered glass naturally occurring in the form of obsidian, a volcanic byproduct. This dark shiny material was primarily used for tool-making and decorative purposes. The earliest man-made glass dates back to around 5,000 years ago in ancient Mesopotamia. This primitive glass was opaque and colored, crafted into beads and amulets. Our journey through the annals of glass history takes an important turn around 1 BC, with the invention of glass blowing in the Roman Empire. This technique involved inflating molten glass into a bubble with the help of a blowpipe, a process that revolutionized the glass-making industry. Glass blowing allowed for the creation of a variety of shapes and sizes, expanding the uses of glass beyond simple decoration to practical items like vessels and windows. Fast forward to the Middle Ages, glass-making techniques continued to improve. The Venetians, in particular, were renowned for their exceptional skills, producing clear, colorless glass known as cristallo. This was a far cry from the opaque, colored glass of ancient times. As we move into the 19th century, the Industrial Revolution played a significant role in the evolution of glassmaking. New technologies led to the mass production of glass, making it more affordable and accessible. The invention of the float glass process in the mid-20th century was another game-changer. This method, which involves floating molten glass on a bed of molten tin, produces flat, uniformly thick glass, perfect for windows and mirrors. From the primitive colored beads of ancient Mesopotamia, through the clear cristallo of the Venetians, to the mass-produced flat glass of today, the evolution of glassmaking has been a fascinating journey. Over time, the art and science of glassmaking have advanced, bringing us to the glass we know and use today. But what exactly is glass made of, you may wonder? Well, let's unravel this mystery. The primary ingredient in glass is silica, a component found abundantly in sand. By heating silica to extraordinarily high temperatures and then rapidly cooling it, we form a solid, transparent material we know as glass. But did you know that glass is not just silica? That's right, it's a cocktail of elements. Adding different ingredients into the mix can drastically change the properties of the glass. For example, adding lime and soda can make the glass water-resistant, a quality we certainly appreciate in our window panes. Then there's lead, which when added, gives us the beautiful, refractive lead crystal glass. Boron, on the other hand, gives us heat-resistant glass, perfect for those casserole dishes in your kitchen. So, the glass is not just a simple substance, but a complex blend of various elements. Now that we know what glass is made of, how is it actually made? Let's follow the journey of glass from raw materials to the finished product we use every day. The process of making glass begins with the collection of raw materials. Silica, soda ash, and limestone are the primary ingredients, with various other additives depending on the desired properties of the final product. These materials are sourced from mines or quarries, and are then transported to the glass manufacturing plant. At the plant, the raw materials are carefully weighed and mixed. This mixture, known as the batch, is then fed into a furnace, heated to a staggering temperature of over 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. This extreme heat melts the batch into a molten state, a stage in the process known as melting. This molten glass is like a fiery, glowing river, ready to be molded into any shape. The next step is fining, where the molten glass is further heated to eliminate any bubbles and achieve a uniform consistency. This is crucial as it ensures the final product is clear and free from imperfections. Once the glass has been fined, it's time for forming. This is where the molten glass is shaped into the desired product. It could be blown, pressed, drawn, or rolled, depending on what's being made. From window panes to drinking glasses, each product requires a unique approach to forming. After forming, the glass undergoes a process called annealing. This involves slowly cooling the glass to relieve any internal stresses. If not properly annealed, the glass could be prone to cracking or shattering. Finally, the glass is inspected for quality and then packed, ready to be shipped off to stores or construction sites. It's an intricate and fascinating process requiring a delicate balance of heat, timing, and skill. So, the next time you look through a window or drink from a glass, remember the fascinating process that went into creating it. From raw materials to a polished product, each piece of glass is a testament to human ingenuity and craftsmanship. Today we've taken a fascinating journey from the ancient origins of glass to the modern process of its creation. We've seen how this intriguing material, born from the sands of time, has evolved through the ages. From its humble beginnings in Mesopotamia, glass has undergone a transformation that spans centuries, continents, and cultures. We've delved into the chemistry of glass, a complex dance of silicon dioxide, sodium carbonate, and calcium oxide, which come together in a fiery furnace to create this unique material. We've also walked through the intricate process of glassmaking, a craft that requires precision, patience, and a profound understanding of both art and science. A process that has been refined and perfected over millennia. So, glass, a product of art, science, and history, continues to play a crucial role in our lives, and its story is as transparent and captivating as the material itself.